Statistical differences between men and women may soon be no longer used to determine insurance premiums. French insurance market previews weak growth for 2011. We will listen to Martin Palmer, who outlines 2010's environment for pensions. Hello and welcome to this week's new edition of News Insurances Weekly. The European Court of Justice will rule on whether a person's gender can be used to calculate insurance premiums. The Association of British Insurers maintains that a premium can be accurately priced according to a person's sex. Removing this can have a negative effect on policyholders. This decision should be made between February and May of this year. The French €207 billion insurance market should show slow signs of growth for 2011. The French Federation of Insurance Companies, the FFSA, expects market growth not to exceed 2%. A decline in household savings and low interest rates are factors that leave experts not at all optimistic. Martin Palmer, head of corporate pensions marketing at French Provident, comes back on the difficult environment for pensions in 2010. Let's listen to Martin Palmer.
I think part of the difficulty has been, certainly in the UK, is obviously we've been dealing in a fairly recessionary environment, and it has been a difficult situation for a lot of employers. So a lot of employers haven't been taking new employees on, and also people haven't been getting kind of salary increases as well. So that's reduced the amount of contributions that people can put into pensions plans. And I think that's the difficult environment that we're currently in at the moment, because if we were getting a decent level of kind of growth, decent level of salary increases, then people would have a bit more money to be able to kind of save for their future. So I think that's the difficult environment we're in. We've had an awful lot of regulatory change, some good, some bad. I think we need a lot more kind of stability. We're now, I think, beginning to see where things are going. We know where kind of RDR is going. We know where auto-enrolment pensions reform is going. We've had kind of quite a few kind of announcements regarding state benefits and increases in the retirement age. And I think they look in the positive direction. I think we're beginning it's beginning to kind of come together. But I think as an industry, as a nation, we need stability going forward. The big question will be when Nest comes in 2012, is it needs to be implemented in an efficient way. We need to use that opportunity as a way of galvanising increased saving in the UK, making sure that people are aware of the benefits of saving pensions. It's a great opportunity, it's a great story to give people. We need to make sure it's not wasted, and we need to make sure that kind of the headlines aren't grabbed by kind of any problems that might come from the introduction of auto-enrolment. So we need to get it right, we need to give public confidence, and if we can get some good stock market returns and give people some more confidence as a result, then that will be so much the better.
That is all for this week's top news. Thank you very much for your attention, and I will see you for next week's edition. Goodbye.